Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Luma's Learning. So in today's video we'll have a brief discussion about complete history of Olympic Games. See, what is the history of Olympic Games? Why these games named as Olympic Games? Why did ancient Olympics die out, and who brought up modern Olympic Games? When did India first participated in Olympics? Until now, how many medals does India won? So many questions, right? So watch the video till the end and don't skip the video. If you're gonna skip the video, you're gonna miss so much interesting information about Olympics. So watch the video till the end, and before who still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and let's get into the video. Olympics. First we'll see the history of ancient Olympic Games. The written records of Olympic Games dates back to 776 BC, which originated in ancient Greece as many as 3000 years ago. The first Olympic champion, Coroebus, he participated in 192-meter foot race. It is believed that games had been going on for many years at that time. Who founded the games? Heracles, son of Zeus, and mortal woman Alcmene founded the games. And by the end of 6th century BC, it became the most famous of all Greek sporting festivals. Okay? The ancient Olympics were held every 4 years between August 6th and September 19th during a religious festival honoring Zeus. And why these games named as Olympic Games? The games were named for their location near the western coast of Peloponnese Peninsula in southern Greece, the region named Olympi. Okay? After few centuries later, Roman Empire conquered Greece in mid-2nd century BC. Games continued, but their standards and quality declined. Why did the ancient Olympics die out? In 393 AD, Emperor Theodosius, a Christian, called for a ban on all pagan festivals, ending the ancient Olympic tradition after nearly 12 centuries. And it would be another 1500 years before the games would rise again. Who started modern Olympic Games? Coubertin of France, are dedicated to the promotion of physical education, and he inspired by the idea of creating modern Olympic Games after visiting the ancient Olympic site. In November 1892, a meeting was conducted, Union des Sports Athletiques in Paris. In that meeting, Coubertin proposed the idea of reviving the Olympics as an integral athletic competition held every 4 years. And after 2 years, he got approval. He needed to found the International Olympic Committee, which would become the governing body of modern Olympic Games. With all his struggle, here comes the first modern Olympics were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. In the opening ceremony, King Georgius I and a crowd of 60,000 spectators welcomed 280 participants from 12 nations, all male members. Competed in 43 events including track and field, gymnastics, swimming, wrestling, cycling, tennis, weightlifting, shooting, and fencing. The first modern Olympic winner, American James Connolly, won in triple jump. Okay, and coming to this symbol, as we all know, the official symbol of modern games is 5 interlocking color rings representing the continents of North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe, and Australia. The symbol was originally created in 1913 by Coubertin itself, and they colored in blue, yellow, black, green, and red. And the Olympic flag featuring this symbol on white background flew for the first time at Antwerp Games in 1920. See, Olympics truly took off as an international sporting event after 1924. Games were held in Paris. Some 3,000 athletes with more than 100 women among them from 44 nations competed that year. And for the first time, Games featured a closing ceremony. This was the last one organized under presidency of Coubertin. In 1924, first Winter Olympics take off as well. See, coming to the host countries, how the host countries are selected. Olympics pick a country, it is the member of IOC. The host city is selected by a majority of votes cast by secret ballot. Okay. Now have a look at the list of hosting countries from 1896 to 2020. Okay. Which country did not participate in Olympics? Say Russia has been banned from an Olympics. Country had athletes banned from competing during the 2006 Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro because of state-sponsored doping scheme. The anti-doping agency originally banned from competition for 4 years. Court of Arbitration for Sports last year reduced the ban to 2 years. Why Olympics Games held for every 4 years? This is to represent the ancient origins of Olympic Games. The main purpose of Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are an international sports festival. Ultimate goals are to cultivate human beings through sport and contribute to world peace. And it mainly focuses on 5 pillars: joy of effort, fair play, respect for others, result of excellence, balance between body, will and mind. Okay, these are the 5 pillars. And which country has the most Olympians? See, United States has the most Olympians. Okay, and which country won the first Olympic medal? It is San Marino. Okay, and now coming to the India. When did India first participated in Olympics? India first participated at Olympic Games in 1900 with a lone athlete winning 2 medals, both silver. He became the first Asian nation to win Olympic medal. His name is Norman Pritchard. Okay. And see, after Norman Pritchard, who won 2 medals in athletics in 1900 under colonial India. Kashaba Dada Saheb Jadhav was the first individual athlete from independent India to win a medal at Olympics in the year 1952. And coming to the India's participation in Winter Olympic Games, India also competed at several Winter Olympic Games beginning in 1964. Okay. Till now, how many medals won by India? Till now, India won 10 gold medals, 9 silver medals and 16 bronze medals. Okay, here is the list in which year we got which medal. Have a look. Out of total 10 gold medals, 8 belongs to field hockey, 1 shooting and 1 athletics javelin throw. Whereas coming to the silver, 2 athletics, 1 badminton, field hockey 1 silver, shooting 2 silver medals, weightlifting 1 medal and wrestling 2 silver medals. Okay, and coming to the bronze, in badminton we have 2 bronze medals, boxing 3 bronze, field hockey 4, shooting 1, tennis 1, weightlifting 1. Okay, see, Tokyo was selected as host city during the 125th IOC session in Argentina. It originally scheduled to take place from 24th July to 9th August 2020, and it was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. And total 127 Indian athletes, men and women, are in Tokyo Olympic Games from India in various games. And in Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games, India won 1 gold medal, 2 silver medals, and 4 bronze medals. Okay, and Neeraj Chopra won a historic athletics gold medal to become India's second ever individual Olympic gold. Chanu Saikom Mirabai, weightlifting, she got 1 silver medal, and Ravi Kumar Dahiya, wrestling, men 57 kgs, 1 silver medal. And coming to the bronze medals, we have PV Sindhu, Bajrang Punia, Lovelina, and India hockey team. Okay, and this is completely about Olympics history. Okay, and if you are having any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.